In this tutorial, we're going to discuss how to replace text in a PDF with C#. Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract embedded text and images from PDFs using IronPDF in a C# console application. We'll start with the NuGet Package Manager screen. As you can see, I've already installed IronPDF, so let's move to the program.cs file. Here's the code that we have set up. We begin by importing the necessary namespaces, IronPDF and IronPDF.editing. These are essential for working with PDFs and performing editing operations. Next, we have a region where the license key for IronPDF is specified. For the purposes of this video, the license key will remain hidden. The HTML string variable contains the HTML content that we want to convert into a PDF. It includes multiple paragraphs with the text and page breaks to demonstrate how the content is split across different pages. We then create an instance of Chrome PDF Renderer to render the HTML content as a PDF. The render HTML as a PDF method generates PDF document from the provided HTML string. We also define two string variables, old text and new text, to represent the text that we want to replace in the PDF. In this case, we are replacing net 6 with net 7. Now let's discuss the commented code. If you uncomment, replace text on all images, this line would replace the specified text on all pages of the PDF document. And if you uncomment, replace text on page, this line would replace the text only on the first page, page index 0 of the PDF. So in our case, we're using pdf.replace text on pages, parentheses, pages, old text, new text. This is to replace the text on specific multiple pages. The pages array contains the indices of the pages that we want to update, which are the first and third pages, indices 0 and 2. And finally, the modified PDF document is saved to a file using pdf.saveas and parentheses fdrive replace text on multiple pages. And finally, the modified PDF document is saved to a file using pdf.saveas. So now I'll run the program to generate and save the PDF with the replaced text. All right, the program executed successfully, so let's see the output PDF file. And here you can see the text .NET 6 has been replaced with .NET 7 on the first and third pages, while the second page remains unchanged. This demonstrates how you can effectively extract and replace embedded text in PDFs using IronPDF. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. If you want to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.